Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. PEP 257 is the Python Enhancement Proposal that defines conventions for docstrings. While the optparse module is now deprecated in Python in favor of argparse, I'll provide you with an informative tutorial on how to comply with PEP 257 docstring conventions when using the argparse module, which is the recommended way to handle command line arguments in Python. Title: Complying with PEP 257 docstrings in Python's argparse module. Introduction. PEP 257 provides guidelines for writing docstrings in Python code. Docstrings are used to document functions, classes, modules, and other objects in your code. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to write docstrings for functions and methods when using Python's argparse module, which is a powerful and flexible way to handle command line arguments. PEP 257 Overview. PEP 257 outlines conventions for docstrings in Python, including the following key points. Using argparse with PEP 257 docstrings. When creating command line interfaces using argparse, you typically define functions or methods to configure the command line arguments. To comply with PEP 257, you should include appropriate docstrings for these functions. Here's how to do it. In the example above, we have defined two functions, create_parser and main. Let's analyze how the PEP 257 conventions are applied. By following these conventions, your code becomes more readable and easier to understand. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to comply with PEP 257 docstring conventions when using Python's argparse module to create command line interfaces. By following these conventions, your code becomes more maintainable, and other developers can better understand and use your command line tools. ChatGPT.